Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ragean's Intuitive Tarot. This reading is for my beautiful Gemini. And Gemini, as you know, I don't like to waste a lot of time with preliminaries. Anything you need to know about my channel is listed in that description box below, so feel free to go ahead and check it out. As well, if you like what you hear and want to hear more. Sorry about that, Gemini. My phone decided it needed to install an update. So, which is making me believe, Gemini, that you may be receiving a lot of downloads, a lot of information right now. So we are getting messages again today from the Fairy Oracle deck. And the first card we have is the card of Rar. And this is card 52. And a 5 and a 2 adds up to a 7. And 7s for me are often talking about choices, options. And with the Rar, the Rar is kind of wild, ungrounded energy, pure potential. This card is asking you to be especially attentive to what you are doing with your energy and your intentions. This is very big energy, and it's very important to stay grounded. Otherwise, you can get swept away in this energy. We have the Green Woman. This is card 23. A 2 and a 3 adds up to 5, and 5s are all about changes. So there is some sort of big change. This is wild energy. This is untamed creativity, natural magic, expectations, growing in maturity. This is bringing out your natural talents, talking about material rewards ahead, harvest of the seeds that you have planted. So it's kind of like, here comes this intense energy to bring in your harvest. So this is a great time to do any creative projects. This is a time of evolving for you, Gemini. We have the Maiden, card 14. And the Maiden is talking about your inner child, your pure innocence, your joy. This is also talking about new beginnings and growth. So you are being offered, or you're going to have this huge energy come in, Gemini, that is here to help you heal old childhood wounds. It's here to help you bring out your creativity. It's here to help. It's here to manifest all of the seeds that you've planted up until this point. You have Nellis, the alchemist. So this is a time of transmuting energy. Okay, this is a time of healing. This is a time of growing up. This is a time of letting go of all of your past hurts, wounds, pains, and stepping into this creative, abundant energy. So whatever you're working on, Gemini, the maker is somebody who puts their whole heart into it. They do the very best that they can do. This is the ripe energy for you to transform, for you to become the very best version of yourself. And that's what we're all being encouraged to do right now. This is what all of the planetary energy that is about. It's here to transform us. We are moving from a 3D reality to a 5D reality. In the 3D reality, the energy is very heavy and dense and icky, and there's a lot of judgment, there's a lot of gossip, there's a lot of, indifference and hatred. And in the 5D reality, the energy is lighter. There's no judgment. There's only love and allowance and tolerance and acceptance. And this is what all of us are being encouraged to do right now, Gemini. We are being asked to do our shadow work, being asked to see how are you showing up in the world. Is it the best version of yourself? Where do you need to drop the judgment, the gossip? Where can you be more compassionate? Where do you need to show more love? Because really, we cannot stay in this old energy. This old energy is not working for us anymore. And the planetary energy that is about right now, it's the same energy that we had when we entered the Industrial Revolution. And, that was a good time. That was evolution, okay? But all of that stuff is not working anymore. Things only work for so long, and then you have to change, you have to adapt. And the old ways of doing things are just not working for any of us anymore. So we are being encouraged to transform, like the phoenix rising, lift up out of the ashes, be the bigger person. Don't buy into all of the low vibrational petty energies. Discovering who the toxic people are in our life and setting up boundaries. A lot of us tarot readers sound like broken records. We keep talking about this transformation, but really that is what it's all about. That is what's happening right now. The world is transforming, and each and every one of us have to do our part. The world can't change and then you expect to say the same. When the world changes, we have to change with it, or we're going to get lost or stuck or left behind. So Gemini, embrace this process. You have some very big energy coming in, and this energy is here to help you alkalize the negativity, to transmute it, transform it into something more positive, more productive, more joyful. And the green woman, she does not give a rat's patooey what anybody thinks about her. She's just her. She does her thing. She lets her light shine unashamedly. So that's what you need to do, Gemini. Embrace your shadow side. Learn from it. Heal from it. Let it go. Allow yourself to raise in vibration so that you too can move into the 5D reality. I thank you so much for being here, Gemini. That is a beautiful message. I hope it helps you on your journey. And of course, if you like the message and you would like to hear more, I would love it if you could hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Until next time, I'll catch you later.